We're going to show you how to do an ID copy on the HP SmartTank Plus 655 printer. So let's go to the control panel. From the control panel, select copy. Go to settings. Scroll until you see ID card copy. Select that. You can choose to do an ID card copy in black or color. Let us select color. Next, we need to place a card near the icon at the corner of the scanner glass, away from the edges. We close the lid and then touch continue. So let's do that. So this is the ID card that we want to copy. So we open the lid and place the card right at the top left hand corner. Once that is done, we'll close the lid. Let's select continue. Now we need to flip the card over and place it near the icon at the corner of the scanner glass, away from the edges. We'll do the same thing, but this time we'll flip it over. We'll flip the card. Let's select continue. Once it has scanned the second side, it will print. And here is the copy that has been printed. So this is the printout, and this is the original.